Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to fix Google Play Store issue on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel confused, because if you want to open the Google Play Store and suddenly the Google Play Store can't be opened, don't need to be worried guys, because you can resetting the Google Play Store setting. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, because resetting the Google Play Store is used to troubleshoot issues such as the app not working, crashing, or failing to download or update apps. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is now you can long press and hold until there's a menu, and then now you can click apps info, and then now you can go to storage and cache, and then now you can clear cache and also clean the storage. And that's for troubleshooting issue on your Google Play Store. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching.